Repurposing long-form videos to shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos are very high in demand right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 steps to find clients for this service. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I finally reached 10,000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you all for all the supports given all these years. To show a token of appreciation, I'm going to answer one question that has been asked several times recently. In one of my previous videos, I talked about a low competition, high demand job servicing niche, and that is repurposing long form videos to short form videos. Many of you asked how to find clients for this specific niche. So for today's job servicing tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to find clients for video repurposing service. The very first step is to find out who will be the target audience. We know that the potential clients are the ones that does long form videos. So with this, we can target YouTubers because this platform has the most long form videos. Next, head over to YouTube and type in a specific group of audience. For me, I like to target property agents, so I will type in property agent in Singapore. Click into any of the videos and find their channel name. Click on it. This will bring you to their channel details. Go to their About page and scroll down to view the email address. Click on this tab and verify that you are not a robot. Click Submit and the email address will be revealed. Copy it, open a spreadsheet and paste the email address. Don't forget to stick down the name and contact number if it's available. From the channel homepage, we can find out many details like the frequency he posts. From here, we can tell that he uploads very frequently, about 4 to 5 videos per month. Next, I would also find out if he has other social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok, because we want to promote short form videos. What I usually do is to go over to any of his video description and look for any social media links. So clearly, in this case, this property agent do not have any short form video platforms, and that makes him an ideal client that you can target. Continue building the email list. And the last step is to prepare a cold outreach email template. Now, here are some tips when writing your email. Number 1, customize the content for the recipient. You need to personalize your opening message by doing some research on their channel. Take the property agent Aaron for example. You can say something like, I stumbled upon your YouTube videos and I love your content, especially regarding the latest property cooling measure. This will definitely get the recipient's attention and it is a great conversation starter. Number 2, mention how he is not utilizing short form videos to gain exposure for his real estate business. Number 3, explain who you are and how you can help him. Number 4, include a call to action at the end of your email. You can ask something that can prompt a reply. For example, would you be interested to view some of my sample jobs that I've done for other property agents? Cold outreach method is a great free way to get started as a beginner. And it is also a fantastic way for you to get to know your target audience better. You may get turned down or get no response at all, but do persist on and you'll get better at it. Basically, it is a number game. The more you do the outreach, the higher chance for you to get a paying client. I hope you have some takeaways from my video today. As usual, if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!